In this video, I will show you how to add, edit, and delete a name manager in Microsoft Office Excel.
This practice, I set Name Manager to crack the student attendance. Here is Worksheet Manage with student attendance. For this column, I check attendance on today. I just click on Cell, choose any option. Here is example share to you. Okay, let's practice. I select cells and remove data validation on cells. Next, I insert one sheet and rename is Detail. In column C, I set with 4 options: present, absence, late, and permission. Next, select these options and click on Formula. After, click to choose Name Manager button. And click New to add a new name range. In this name box, I set attendance. And click OK. Next, I need to remember this name created a moment. And close. After, I click to Student Attendance Sheet. And hold selection on cells to set data validation check. Next, click on Data and click on Data Validation. After, click on Allow button and click Choose List. In this box, I need to call the name manager is attendance. I press equal and type call attendance. Next, click OK. Now, check the result on cell. On today, the student attendance is absence. I just click on cell and will drop down choose it. Here is one way to make you fast manage on cells. And these cells too. Second, how to edit Name Manager. This edit, I just add more for option the student is stop. Okay, first click back to Detail Sheet. And add one more option is stop, and the letter I use S. Next, hold select 5 options and click on Formula. Choose Name Range and click on Edit. Remove cell and hold select 5 options. And click OK. And close. Now go back to Student Attendance Sheet and click on Cell to choose option. Okay, in this option has one more add-in cell. And if you want to delete Name Manager, follow this. Click on Formula and click Open Name Manager. Choose Name Range and click Delete. And click OK. Now add, edit, and delete Name Manager is done.